my name is Dr. Qais Musmar. I work in Alexandria, Virginia. So from the time we started our business till the time we actually sold it, we actually had grown our business to 5 locations. And anytime you grow a business, you always hit a lot of plateaus in your business. But in 2007, we hit a brick wall where we all of a sudden could not grow our business. And our only growth we had was really through just constant increasing in fees, but not growth in the business itself. So we're always trying to figure out, how do DSOs grow their business? How are they able to grow beyond this point and still have a life? Because we were literally sacrificing our own family life in order to try to get these practices to grow where they are. And that's how we actually met with Heartland Dental. We became affiliated with Heartland Dental back in 2007. And the first year was not fun, to be honest. But it was self-inflicted. That's the sad part about it. Because in order for you to grow, you have to change. I mean, the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. And the first year, me and Dr. Miller did the same thing over and over and over and expecting a different result. I was like, I have to do something different. Because in 1 year, we had no growth at all. I remember sitting down with Pat Bauer and telling him, all right, this year, we are going to implement every Heartland system in all our five locations at that time. I'm not going to question anything. I'm just going to do it. I mean, I have a track record with 5 practices. Well, Heartland came in with a track record of 300 practices. And I'm saying my 5, I've built it better than your 300. It's just ridiculous. And when I had that epiphany, I'm like, all right, I just need to just accept it and try it. And once I started implementing the first system and reaped the benefits, I'm like, oh my God, this is outrageous for me not just to do it all. And once I started implementing one after the other, after the other, and after the other, and then started growing myself as a leader in my dental office, that's when we really started seeing the business actually just grow exponentially. It didn't change how we did dentistry, but how the care was delivered. The growth was just, it was incredible. And we never turned back after that. The biggest change is my family, to be honest, is the relationship with my children and my wife and my extended family, because I actually have time for them. The most precious thing in life is time. And unfortunately, we spend all that time when you're a solo practitioner running the business. And so I would finish work, and after you see the patients, you got to do the admin work and make sure all the bills are paid. I mean, you wear so many hats as a sole practitioner, and you're kind of in your own little island. You don't have that quality time that you really were. And the whole purpose of work is to really create time for your family, to create income so you can enjoy your family, enjoy your time. So when work takes that away from you, it really makes you think, what the heck are you doing? And in 2007, that's when we reached that point. When, if you live to work, it's a dangerous time. Work is a way to make a living, not a way of life. And when you get that balance right, like the way I have it right now, even though I'm producing way more than I've ever produced as a solo practitioner, I can go home at 5 o'clock and actually enjoy time with my children, enjoy time with my wife. We actually go on vacation. I have nothing to worry about because I know somebody has my back in that dental office. I know that that flywheel is constantly turning, even though I am not there.